Hi, my name is Stacey Schwartz and I'm an attorney at the Florida Elder Law Firm. And if you've been watching, I've been going through the probate process. Had a few videos of going through everything, and now we've finally made it close to the end. We've made it through the creditor period, a 3-month time frame. If there's a house, it's been determined homestead property, it's passed to the heirs of the decedent. And now there's, well, what comes next? What needs to be done? And some of this depends on the case and what the personal representative has been doing since the case has been ongoing. So to close the estate, depending on the accounts or the assets that are going through the estate, bank accounts might need to be liquidated. Definitely contact a tax professional. Now, your attorney can advise you on the law, but you want to contact a tax professional to see, were there any final income taxes due for the decedent? Are there any estate taxes due? Anything like that. So the personal representative should have been working on liquidating assets. Now you definitely want to make sure they've contacted a CPA about what needs to come next to close out the tax side of things. Very important, especially now. We're in 2021 right now as I'm recording this video, and the IRS might be a little bit delayed just with everything going on in the world. So I have a few estates right now that we're just waiting on the IRS before we can close things. So the earlier you can contact a CPA, the better. Might not want to be the very last thing you do, but this is one of the last things we need finished before closing the estate. Now, depending on the estate, depends who's inheriting. Maybe there's one beneficiary, just a spouse. Maybe there's a spouse and 10 children. So depending on how complicated things are, depends what really comes next. But it's a matter of gathering the assets, liquidating everything, seeing what final taxes are owed. Then we do a final accounting for everyone to see what has been going through the estate, file an order of discharge, and then all the beneficiaries get what they are inheriting. So it's a long process. It's not easy. It's not as scary as everyone thinks it is. You just have to go through the right steps. So this has just been a broad overview of what happens. I'm happy to talk to you about anything else you need, whether it be probate, guardianship, estate planning. You know, we've talked a lot about the probate side of things, but one of the best ways to avoid issues later is to make sure that you plan ahead. So we have other videos on our website about estate planning, and maybe we'll do some more videos in the future. But if you have any questions about how to handle probate in the end, or how to avoid issues now so nothing happens in the future, please give us a call. We're happy to help. Go to our website. We have other resources available there.